thank you so much sa inyo lahat. I'm so happy and blessed. So happy and blessed na... Kaya, alam niyo ba ba't kayo nandito? Kayo ang pagpasok ko sa Zamboanga, sa Manila, kayo ang gusto ko. Yung iba, tinanggal ko, natanggal. Kasi I want to surround myself with smart people. With smart people. Kasi I want to be successful short period of time lang para mabilis. Kaya kayo nandito kasi smart kayo. Matalino kayo, wise kayo, dedicated kayo. Okay?
Kumbaga, hindi, ang leadership hindi puro ikaw ang tama, you see first how to guide your people o yung tao mo para maitamak niya yung mali.
Stick to your position, you stick to your job description, no matter what is happening behind, and what is happening in the future, and what is happening in the past. So that's professionalism. So that's how you portray our core values for
kailangan, ito gawin mo. Sa atin pa lang, since tayo nasa office, tayo yung kamay ng mga boss natin, sa atin pa lang, mag-i-start na yung leadership.
Sunset burning on the golden shore. Never seen a view like this before. The stars, they shine like diamonds in your eyes. Black dress on you got me hypnotized. I keep feeling away, I keep feeling away, I keep feeling away about you. No, I can't look away, no, I can't look away, no, I can't look away, cause I need you. My heart keeps beating like an island drum, cause you're my only one. You make me feel so good. Feel so good. You make me feel so good. Feel so good. Neon shining on the boulevard, dancing underneath the champagne stars. You make me feel like I'm forever young, cause you're my only one. You make me feel so good.